Hey guys, it's Anna, and today's video is on how to do a rolling tinsica. What's a bit different about today's video compared to my usual tutorials is that I've actually never done a rolling tinsica before. But after receiving so many requests from you guys to make a tutorial on how to do one, I looked up all the steps for learning how to do one to see if they help me get mine, and if they do, hopefully they'll help you get yours too. So let's get started. First, start by stretching out your back, shoulders, and wrists. Once you're all stretched out, practice doing a bridge. You will have to be able to do this skill before learning how to do the rolling tinsica. You also have to be able to do an inside out, which is basically stepping back and forth from a bridge to a downward dog. If you can do both of those required skills, then practice doing the preparation, which is starting on one knee and then kicking up onto your arm. Next, practice doing the preparation into a bridge. Once you're comfortable getting into the bridge, try adding a jump into it. Finally, try to lift your legs as high as you can during the jump into the bridge to get your legs all the way around. I know my rolling tinsica isn't perfect yet, but with these steps I was able to get it in one day, and hopefully they'll help you get yours too. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it helps you get your rolling tinsica. If it did, please give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, as well as click on the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload any new videos. Bye guys!